Choosing appropriate assessment tools is critical in accurately evaluating student learning, progress, and skills. The selection of assessment tools should be guided by clear criteria to ensure they align with the intended learning outcomes and provide meaningful insights. The following are the key criteria to consider. Alignment with learning objectives. The assessment tool should directly measure the knowledge, skills, or attitudes outlined in the learning objectives. Misalignment can lead to invalid results or misinterpretation of students' abilities. Second is validity. Validity ensures that the tool measures what is intended to measure. For example, if the goal is to assess problem-solving skills, the tool should not overly focus on rote memorization. Third is the reliability. A reliable assessment provides consistent results over time and across different groups of students. This ensures that outcomes are not affected by subjective factors or inconsistencies. Fourth is fairness. The tool must be equitable, free of bias, ensuring that all students, regardless of their background, can perform to the best of their abilities. Consideration should include language clarity and cultural inclusivity. Fifth, practicality and feasibility. The assessment tool should be manageable in terms of time, resources, and effort required for both instructors and students. Overly complex tools may hinder effective administration and interpretation. Sixth is the engagement and motivation tools that actively engage students often yield more accurate reflections of their abilities. For example, performance-based assessments like projects or simulations can be more motivating than traditional tests. 7 is the formative versus summative purpose. Determine whether the tool is for formative or ongoing feedback or summative or final evaluation assessment. Formative tools like quizzes or peer reviews should promote learning, while summative tools like exams should summarize achievements. 8 is the adaptability. The tool should be flexible enough to accommodate diverse learning needs, including students with disabilities. This may involve offering alternative formats or accommodations. 9th is the feedback potential. Effective tools provide actionable feedback that helps teachers, students, improve and guides teachers in adjusting instructions. For instance, rubrics allow detailed feedback and transparency in grading. 10th is the cost and accessibility. Consider the financial and logistical accessibility of the tool. Digital tools should be accessible on common devices, and physical tools should be affordable in institutions. 11th is the technological integration in modern classroom. Assessment tools that leverage technology. For examples, online quizzes or software-based simulations should be evaluated for ease and use, data analysis capabilities, and security. 12th, and lastly, the ethical considerations. Ensure that the tool respects privacy and confidentiality, especially when collecting and storing student data. The choice of an assessment tool must balance these criteria while prioritizing the specific needs of the learning environment and objectives. Regular review and reflection on the effectiveness of chosen tools are also essential for continuous improvement.